Do you want to promote ClickBank products but you don't have any followers? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to promote ClickBank products without even creating content. Step 1, go to ClickBank Marketplace and choose any product in any niche. I choose this health and fitness and graphic. Let's take this video, share and copy the URL. Go to roxytube.com. Platform is YouTube's alternatives. We can upload or import. We can import this video from YouTube. Paste your link here. Paste the video. You can leave this as it is. You can select the category. There is no health and fitness category, so we are going to click others. Now this is the crucial part of this video. Go to ClickBank again and click promote, generate hop link and copy it. Go to bit.ly, create new and link. Paste your link here. Copy your new short link, go to this site and paste here and public. As you can see, our video has been published and already got 1 views. Now if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and level up your business, you can join Wealthy Affiliate through the link in the description. You will get training, community support, technical support and every tool you need to succeed. This is the affiliate bootcamp. You can join this affiliate bootcamp for free. Build a recurring income stream by referring others to the community that you love. These are all the trainings you will get absolutely for free if you join through the link in the description. And there is a subscription plan also. This costs only $49 a month. You can see the training with video and text and images. Here you can see all the people are giving 10 out of 10 for these trainings. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.